Two opening batsmen already at the crease for Rajasthan Royals. Ganesh Pangera, the danger batsman here in this ground. Swapnil Sarode, who is in good touch. He's a terrific batsman. He's at the non-striking end. Pratiksha Nagar Premier League 2024. This is the first season of this overarm type of Premier League organized. Main organizer is Datta Keluskar. And of course, a lot of sponsorship has been given in this tournament as well. Special thanks to Aryan Rajurao and Arnav Rajurao for their help to the cricket tournament. Of course, we are remembering the great legendary former YCG captain, late Santosh Gaikwad. Of course, we are remembering him every time that when we organize the cricket tournament here in this ground, specially. So Akash Singh will start the proceedings for Punjab. Swapnil Sarode will hit the strike for the very first ball. He was hitting the ball so crisply yesterday. Will he continue with his form? That's the question to be asked here. Four players on the boundary on the power play line, and there is a fielder fielding at the covers region. There is a short mid on. There's a fielding at backward point as well. There's a fielder at slip region. A first ball smashed away magnificently over the covers region for a single run, creating room outside the off stump and placing it away beautifully over the covers region for a single. Swapnil Sarode, he is in tremendous form here in this series. चेंडू जर बाहेर गेला असेल लवकरात लवकर चेंडू आलेला आहे. Second ball, agent backhand hits Swapnil Sarode, the big blow for Rajasthan Royals. He was batting so well. He was batting dangerously, and he's walking back to the pavilion here. Why wouldn't Punjab be ecstatic? They are ecstatic. They got the big wicket of Swapnil Sarode. मुंबई आणि हैदराबाद ह्या संघाचे जे खेळाडू आहेत त्यांनी चेंडू पकडायसाठी ऑफ साइड लेग साइडच्या दिशेला उभे राहायचंय. मुंबई आणि हैदराबाद. हैदराबाद IPL मध्ये सुद्धा फुल फॉर्म मध्ये टॉप एज लागलेला होता आणि लेग साइडच्या दिशेला फ्लो झालेला एक धाव मात्र निश्चित मिळते फलंदाजाला. आणि ह्या धावेवर धावसंख्या झाली होती 2-3 चेंडू 2 धाव एक गडी गारद केलाय तो. आकाशने सुंदर चेंडू टाकला होता. फसवा चेंडू स्वप्नील सरोदेला आउटसाइड एज लागली होती आणि इझी कॅच इन टू द विकेट कीपर ग्लव्स. It's been called as wide, way above the head of the batsman, and it's got to be a wide, definitely. Score now moves on to 3 with that wide. First semi final between Rajasthan Royals and Punjab. Oh, pitch ball smashed and hammered away down the ground. It will go all the way for 4, I think, and yes, good connection of the bat. Lot of power was consumed while stroking that stroke by the batsman. Over the head of the fielder, fielding at mid on. Goes into the fence for 4. What an important boundary for Rajasthan Royals here. Important boundary, crucial boundary for Rajasthan Royals. Power play over semi-final match. Boundary in the first over. Put pressure on the fielding side anytime. Score moves on to 7 with that blistering blow. Good to go in the over. And once again, hitting that good length area. That's exactly what Hitesh gave idea to the bowler. Exactly what he told to the bowler in his ears. Hit the good length area. Don't ball over pitch ball. You will get hammered away down the ground. Bowler follow the order of the captain and hence caught the wicket of another danger batsman, Yash, who played such a brilliant shot and now he is gone walk into the pavilion. New batsman walks in is Dinesh Kamble. Cannot afford to hit every ball over the fence. You got to see the ball. Two batsmen made mistake and they are in the pavilion. Some full toss and flicked away easily by Dinesh. It's a bread and butter kind of stroke for somebody like Dinesh. With that single score moves to 8 at the end of the first over. The score is 8 for 2. The atmosphere already started to get electrifying. As you can see, people started to gather in some numbers here to watch the first semi-final. Somebody like Ganesh Bhangera is batting. Definitely, people comes in huge number to watch Ganesh Bhangera batting. Hitesh Karkera has got the ball in hand. It's going to be a good puzzle between the two legendary cricketers. Hitesh is a brilliant bowler as well. Not only is a great batsman, he's a brilliant bowler as well. Remember, and he's got the legendary batsman Ganesh Bhangera on strike. Was ball onto the pads of Ganesh Bhangera, easily flicked away over the mid wicket region for single run. 8 runs of the first over. They got that important boundary in the first over, and now Ganesh will be looking for singles. And maybe in the last over, he might go for the big ones. Try and get a competitive score first, and then short ball and easily hammered away magnificently for a single run. And with that single score moves on to 10. Outside the off stump, swung away speedily. Change his line just a little bit. Surprised Ganesh Bangera and got that important dot ball. He's a clever customer, Hitesh Karkera. Oh, tried to do that again, but this time way outside the off stump and it will be a wide. With that white score moves on to 11 here. I got to tell you something about Ganesh Bangera. If he bats, he can be a real danger batsman for any opposition. Every team want to see his back as quickly as possible. Once he stays the crease, he can be a short ball and cut away towards the backward point region for a single. And with that single, the score moves on to 12 here. Not only is a good hooker or puller of the ball, he's a good cutter of the ball as well. He plays late cut very well as well, Ganesh Bangera. Oh, pitch ball has smashed away into the mid-on region for another single. With that single, score moves on to 13. Hitesh ball one dot ball and then he ball a wide, so he's considered the same number of runs as he bowled. Considered five is five balls. Hitesh this time at the edge of the bat and flies over the final leg region for a single. They will be happy batsmen with those 6 runs in the over. With that single, score moves on to 14 here. At the end of the second over, the score is 14 for 2. Two overs gone. The score is 14 for 2. Swapnil and Yash already into the dugouts, and Ganesh Bangera is batting quite cleverly, looking for singles. Got 5 runs on the board for himself. Dinesh, on the other hand, is batting on single. All Ganesh will be telling him, get singles here. Don't go for any big shots. Don't throw your wicket away here. On the other hand, Dipesh will be looking for few dot balls or a wicket or two. Let's wait for the umpire. This is white signal by the umpire, and with that white score moves on to 15. Each and every extra run can be so crucial at the end of the innings. Agent taken! Exactly what the captain wanted, exactly what has happened. Dinesh is going back to the pavilion here. Huge blow for Rajasthan Royals. Ganesh is absolutely disgusted with Dinesh here. What kind of shot has he played? I told you to get the singles. No footwork at all from Dinesh again. Caught the outside edge of the bat and easily taken by the wicketkeeper Hitesh. The score is 15 for 3. We are in the third over. New batsman Swapnil. Oh, this is absolutely tremendous bowling by the bowler. Bowling such kind of length and such kind of line, which is very, very difficult to bat with for any batter. Any top order batter, any batter. Oh, on second edge of the bat, the ball is high in the air. The fieldsman is cutting it, and Ajay is a very, very good judge of the catch. Picks the catch beautifully, Ajay. That wasn't an easy catch. He made it look easy, Ajay. Rajasthan Royal loses their fourth wicket with 15 runs on the board. We are in the third over. Ganesh Bangera is standing at the non-strike again, giving ideas to the batsman. Batsman not quite following what ideas Ganesh is doing. Once again, beautifully ball in swinging Yorker, and there's a chance for an out, and that's going to be an run out as well. That's another wicket down as well. Rajasthan Royals, after getting 8 runs in the first over, losing too many wickets in the third over here. They're falling like 9 pins at the moment, Rajasthan Royals wickets. New batsman walks in, Praveen. Until unless Ganesh is there, still hopes are alive for Rajasthan to get a competitive score. That kind of batsman, that's kind of batting he has done here in this ground. With that wide score moves on to 16. Bowling such kind of line. Oh, it's very difficult to bat with. He's getting the ball to swing just a little bit, hitting the good length area on consistent basis. This has been absolutely tremendous piece of stuff by Dipesh Helia. He's running like a spinner. He's bowling very speedily. It's very difficult for the batsman to judge the line of such kind of deliveries. There we go. Once again, this time Ganesh quite carefully and quite seriously placing it away into the mid wicket region for a single, giving full respect to what bowler is bowling at the moment. Dipesh, very good bowling by Dipesh. At the end of the third over, the score is 18 for 6. Beg your pardon, the score is 18 for 5 at the end of the third over. Fourth over, of course, is going to be a power play over. Only one player is allowed to field outside that power play line. And the dangerous Ganesh Pangera is. Oh, and Ajay Krishna has got the ball in his hand. I don't know what kind of form he is in at the moment with the ball. He's been giving such an important over by the captain. Somebody like Ganesh, if he gets the ball in his elevation, he might go for the big one here. Three over goals, 18 for 5. As I told you first, he can be a real danger. Will that go for two? That's a question to be asked. Yes, two added to the score. Exactly what I mentioned earlier. He can be a real danger, and exactly what he's doing. He's batting on. Ganesh is batting on 9. Score is 20. We are in the fourth over. Only one player is outside the power play line. It's fielding it long on. And this time went like a rocket towards the mid wicket region for a single. With that single, score moves on to 21. Take a look at his bat lift before the bowler delivers the ball. Everything absolutely perfect whenever he executes any strokes, Ganesh Pangera. This time standing and delivering and hitting it away over the high in the air over the mid wicket region for a single. With that single, score moves on to 22. Ajay quite happy considering singles. He doesn't want to give any boundaries or six here, which might change the momentum of the games very quickly. Ganesh is looking for that elevation. He's looking for the ball to come in his elevation to hit the big one. Doesn't quite get it. He gets it a single. With that single, score moves on to 23. Definitely, there will be few tension for Ajay here before he balls to Ganesh. Somebody like Ganesh. Yes, I'm trying to nudge the ball. There will be an easy run out. There was no run at all in it. Batsman quite blindly going for that single, and Rajasthan Royals losing another wicket here. Punjab, so far so good. Given away only 23 runs. This is the fourth over. But remember, Ganesh Bangera is still batting. New batsman Aniket Yadav. All he got to try and do is just get the singles here. Give the strike to Ganesh. And it's got the edge of the bat and straight into Hitesh Karkera. Third catch for Hitesh Karkera. Another wicket down for Rajasthan Royals. 4 overs have been completed. Now they have got only 23 runs on the board with 7 wickets down. धावसंख्या झाली 23. 7 गडी गरज झालेले 4 षटकं संपलेले आहेत. पॉवर प्लेचं षटक संपलेलं आहे. नक्कीच मराठीत बोलण्याचा सुद्धा थोडा प्रयत्न करतोय मी. जमत नाही मला पण करतोय. हा कॉन्टेस्ट बघायला मला वाटतं लोक लांबून सुद्धा येतील. गणेश बंगेरा शेवटच्या षटकामध्ये फलंदाजी करतोय. बाळाने चेंडू घेतलेला आहे हातात. शेवटच्या षटकामध्ये सर्वात डेंजरस बॅट्समन प्रतीक्षा नगर मधला कोण असेल तर तो गणेश बंगेरा. आणि हा उंच आणि पाहूया 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 पंचांचा निर्णय. एक धाव. थोडासा या बाजूला असता तर षटकार असता. सुंदर फटका गणेशचा. खरोखर सेमीफायनल फायनल मध्ये आपला गेम दाखवूनच देतो दरवेळेला गणेश. त्याने स्ट्राईक रोटेट केली, त्याने सिंगल्स काढले आणि शेवटच्या षटकामध्ये स्वतःकडे स्ट्राईक ठेवून सामना पूर्णपणे कलाटणी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय तो गणेश बंगेरा. Gone! Wicket by Bala. Wicket by Bala. Ganesh is walking back to the pavilion. Another wicket tumbles out for Rajasthan Royals. This is the turning point of the match to me. नवीन फलंदाज नाव आहे ऋषिकेश. गणेश बंगेरा back to the pavilion. Good. That is great news for Punjab Kings 11. That I got a huge wicket of somebody like Ganesh Bangera. आणि हा लेट कट केलेला आहे बॅकवर्ड पॉइंटच्या दिशेने आणि एक धाव मात्र निश्चित मिळते फलंदाज. धाव संख्या किती झाली ती 26. माफ करा 25. शेवटचा षटक मार्गस्थ असताना धाव संख्या झाली ती 25. गणेश बंगेराने सुंदर फलंदाजी केली होती आणि आता मात्र ते पॅव्हिलियन मध्ये परतलेला आणि पुन्हा एकदा सुंदर चेंडू बाळाचा. सुंदर गोलंदाजी करताना बाळा. लाईन अँड लेंथ त्यांची बघा खूपच इम्पेकेबल म्हणावं लागेल. अनप्लेएबल बॉल म्हणतात त्या पद्धतीची गोलंदाजी बाळाची. आणि हा सुद्धा सुंदर चेंडू होता परंतु Batsman, the wicketkeeper got blinded because of the batsman trying to sweep the ball. By signal by the umpire. With that single, score moves on to 26. शेवटचा चेंडू. धावसंख्या झाली 26. नक्कीच म्हणत असतील की आपण 7 ते 8 धावा शॉर्ट आहोत. जर गणेशने एखादा षटकार मारला असता 34-35 पर्यंत एक चांगली फायटिंग स्कोर झाला असता. 26. आता गोलंदाजाला खरं खूपच आउट ऑफ द स्किन्स डाऊन गोलंदाजी करावी लागेल हा सामना जिंकण्यासाठी राजस्थान रॉयल्ससाठी. आणि सेमीफायनल मॅच आहे. रिमेंबर, प्रेशर हे प्रत्येकावर असतं. आणि पुन्हा एकदा फ्लिक केलेला आहे आणि मिड विकेट दिशेने एक धाव मात्र निश्चित मिळेल फलंदाजाला. आणि धावसंख्या एकूण झाली ती 27. Comparatively good score, 27. Punjab 11 will be chasing 28 runs to win this match of 30 balls. प्रतिष्ठानगर प्रीमियर लीग 2024 पर्व पहिले. आयोजक दत्ता डेकोरेटर्स. त्याचप्रमाणे प्रमुख सहाय्य केलेलं आहे, आर्थिक सहाय्य केलेले ते अर्णव राजूराव आणि आर्यन राजूराव, दोघांचे सुद्धा खूप खूप आभार. यंग क्रिकेटर ग्रुपचे माजी कर्णधार दिवंगत संतोष मामा गायकवाड यांना सुद्धा भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली आपण अर्पित केली होती. आपण बॅनर सुद्धा त्यांचा मैदानामध्ये बघतोय. काल संध्याकाळी आपण सुरुवात केली होती प्रतिष्ठान प्रीमियर लीगला आणि आता आपण सेमीफायनल स्टेजवर पोहोचलेलो आहोत. फर्स्ट सेमीफायनल आपण बघत आहोत, पंजाब वर्सेस राजस्थान. पंजाब यांनी नाणेफेचा खोल जिंकून फलंदाजी घेतली होती आणि 27 धावा त्यांनी 5 षटकामध्ये मारल्या होत्या. आणि पंजाब 11 यांना, पंजाब किंग्स 11 यांना 30 चेंडूमध्ये 28 धावांचं आव्हान ठेवलेलं आहे. पहिलं षटक पॉवर प्ले षटक असणार आहे ऑफकोर्स. Two opening batsmen for Kings 11 Punjab already on the crease. Hitesh Karkera. He's a magnificent batsman, Hitesh Karkera. If he bats, he can finish the match in 2 overs. That kind of batsman he is. Omkar Patkar is at the non-striking. A lot of discussion is going on with what kind of batting strategy we have to do. Should we go for single? Should we go for big one in the power plays? If there's a ball in elevation, definitely the batsman goes for it. Otherwise, singles is good enough at the moment for Kings 11 Punjab to win this match. 28 runs of 30 balls. They want set batsman batting till the end. That's the most important thing here for Punjab to win this match. Interesting to see the tactics of Hitesh Karkera, whether definitely the batsman's eyes lies up whenever there's a power play. 4 fielders, all the fielders inside the power play line. The eyes will be definitely on the boundary line. But on the other hand, the batsman has to think about whether what kind of score we are chasing. We are chasing 28 runs in 30 balls. I'm the important batsman of the team. Should I go for the big one or should I continue with the singles? Left arm over the wicket to Hitesh. First ball flicked away tremendously, beautifully over the mid wicket region for a single. Angle through which the bowler is bowling is not easy for the batsman to pick the line and hit the ball over the top. He's a left arm swing bowler. Oh, what a good delivery! That's a good in swinging Yorker. He's bamboozled somebody like Hitesh Karkar. It's not easy. Semi-final match, pressure match, crucial match. Pressure on everybody, not only on the batsman, on the fielders, on the bowlers as well. That was a perfect in swinging Yorker to a right-handed batsman by the bowler. It is surprised to see that Yorker. He thought maybe this might be a good length delivery. I will flick it easily. Got it on the Yorker length. Isami going for the big one. High in the air. The fieldsman coming under. Oh, hits the catch. He has dropped the catch. Can you believe it? Wasn't an easy catch by any standards. That would have been a huge wicket for Hyderabad. This could be the turning point of the match as well. As I told you first, Ganesh Bangira wicket was a turning point match, and this could be the second turning point of the match. Hitesh Karkera catch dropped by the fielder. Going for the big one again, looking for the big one again. Not going watching the late of the ball here. This is 5 overs per inning match. I got Kalpesh Karkera in the commentary box as well. He's learning the commentary as well. It's good to have somebody like Kalpesh in the commentary box. Kalpesh, what do you think about this chase here? Hyderabad got 28 runs. What do you have to say about this chase here, Kalpesh?
Thank you, Sachin sir. It's my honor to share a stage with you. The great organization of PPL, the, the great social worker Datta Keluskar, the gentleman Javed Kachi, the sir Sandeep Gundapalli, and boys has taken a great hard work from past 1 week to organize this best cricket tournament. Bowler's name? Amrut, batsman. Great shot by Omkar. Well picked a direct ball, but he just missed for us 2 runs. He just missed for a 2 run.
Kalpesh, that was a full toss ball and that was placed away beautifully, wasn't it?
The same ball, full toss ball. If Hitesh Karkera faced that ball, that thing would be different.
Yes, Kalpesh, you're right. If Hitesh was on strike and full toss ball to somebody like danger batsman like Hitesh, that would have disappeared over the fence for a 4 or 6. It's that kind of batsman he has been, Hitesh Karkera. It's that kind of impact he has made here in this ground. Unbelievable, amazing batsman. Real match winner for your team. He's a captain of the team. A lot of responsibility on his shoulder here. Semi-final match, 3 runs in the first over. Not quite what Punjab wanted. They wanted 6 runs in the, or 5 or 6 at least. The required run creeping up. A splitter, magnificent! What a shot! Magnificent shot by Hitesh Karkera. Kalpesh, what to say about Hitesh stroke here?
Hitesh Karkera is playing very well, but he has to keep in the mind he has to pull the shot in V. of the ground. Great shot again, but this stroke of one single will keep moving the scoreboard forward. टोटल क्या है ये सब तो बता पांच नहीं तो कितना बन
Rightly said by Kalpesh. He's learning just a little bit. It's not easy. Definitely not easy, the English commentary. He's learning. Maybe I will advise Kalpesh to listen to the English commentary. Harsha Bhogle, Sunil Gavaskar, Ravi Shastri, Richie Bannard. If you see Tony Cozier, Tony Gregg, listen to this commentary on YouTube. You will learn to do the commentary. That's exactly what I do every day. 1 hour at least I give to the English commentary every day. If I don't, even I will struggle to do the commentary here in this commentary box. So I have to listen to the commentary every day. After real estate agent work, every night or every morning, you have to listen to the great commentators. Somebody like Tony Gregg was a greatest commentary in the history of cricket. Nitish Karkera on strike again. That's the inside edge of the bat, straight to the fielder. Oh, they were looking for a run. Dot ball again, adding pressure onto the team here. Each and every dot ball can be so crucial. Score 6 runs. And equally, that was a well fielded, well stopped by the fielder as well. Praveen doing a valiant job for his team. That's the edge of the bat as well, and that's another dot ball as well. That's what is happening here. Dot balls are adding pressure onto your team here. 6 runs, 2 dot balls in a row, Kalpesh. What do you have to say about this?
I will really appreciate the bowler because the great name, the great batsman like Hitesh Karkera, Ganesh Bangera, it's not really easy to bowl them. It's a really tremendous pressure on a bowler while bowling like this batsman because keeping that same area of line and length is very difficult in front of this batsman.
Oh, yes, indeed, Kalpesh, you're absolutely right. It's very difficult to bowl to somebody like somebody like Hitesh. Semi-final matches a huge pressure on you when you're bowling especially in the semi-final against a legendary batsman like Hitesh, for example, Ganesh Bangera or Swapnil Sarode. There will be bound to be pressure on you when you're bowling to great batsmen. 2 overs have been completed. Score is 7 without loss. 18 चेंडूमध्ये 21 धावांची आवश्यकता आहे. आणि आता असं म्हणावं लागेल की सामना हा अटीतटीचा होणार आहे. नेल बॅटिंग फिनिश आपण म्हणतो त्या पद्धतीचा सामना होण्याची शक्यता. हितेश अजूनही क्रीजवर आहे. Until and unless Hitesh is there, match definitely is alive.
तीन सिंगल दोन डॉट एक सिंगल सिंगल बॅटचा काय डबल डी वाले डी डी वाले तीन सिंगल आले दोन डॉट आणि लास्ट हितेशनेच मारले
Dipesh, what should be the batting tactics at the moment? 18 balls, 21 runs.
As per the cricketing tactics, ifs and buts are not calculated in cricket. The captain of Kings 11 Punjab, Hitesh Karkera, have to prove himself and for his team today and have to bat sensational for them if they want to enter in semi-final है ना उसके बाद
सेमीफाइनल
final. Great ball by bowler का नाम क्या है? Akshay. It was just in swinging delivery by a bowler. No, he's trying for Bhatkar, na? Omkar Bhatkar was little disturbed by this delivery. Let's see. Next ball will be faced by Hitesh Karkera.
आईपीएल ऐसा तो नहीं है ना ऊपर का जो दो टीम रहेगा उसमें दो डबल चाहेगा एक बस चलिए मैच का
Great ball by Akshay. It was again in swinging delivery. The Hitesh Karkera was not having any answer for this delivery. Sachin sir, what you think? What will be the result of this match?
Cricket is a glorious game of uncertainty, my dear friend. Until and unless last ball is not delivered, you can never ever be sure of the result of the game. Oh, direct hit, and that would have been out. Stolen single run by Hitesh Karkera. Two two crucial runs will be added when the difference between the number of balls remaining and the number of runs remaining was 3. 2 runs added to the score without the ball being minus. And gone! Beautiful delivery by the bowler. Omkar is going back to the pavilion. Big blow again for Punjab.
ये फर्स्ट सीजन है ना फर्स्ट सीजन राजस्थान फाइनल मारे
Wicket has tumbled down here, Kalpesh, for the team, and now Bala is at the crease. What will be the tactics of Bala and Hitesh now? Number of ball remaining are 15 चेंडू 18 धावांची आवश्यकता. कल्पेश 15 ball 18 runs. Bala at the crease now with Hitesh.
If you see Sachin sir, Bala is been in a great touch from the match number 1. He can be this player who can turn the match towards the Kings 11 Punjab. But let's see Rajasthan Royals. The great shot by Bala. Single run. And here little prize comes from Aniket Bhaiya from Nihal Rane. If Aniket Bhaiya comes for bowling, Nihal Rane will give 1,000 rupees prize for Aniket Bhaiya. Aniket Yadav, sorry.
अनिकेत यादव हा गोलंदाजीला आला म्हणजे त्यांनी विकेट काढू किंवा नको काढू, गोलंदाजीला जरी आला तरी 1,000 रुपये. म्हणजे निहालला पूर्ण कॉन्फिडंट आहे त्याला बॉलिंग भेटणार नाही. आणि हा चॉप केलेला आणि पाहूया एक धाव मात्र निश्चित मिळते फलंदाजाला. एक धावसंख्ये बरोबर धावसंख्या झाली ती 12. सेमीफायनल मॅच आणि अशाच सामन्याची अपेक्षा प्रेक्षकांना. अटीतटीचा सामना, शेवटच्या चेंडूपर्यंत जाणारा सामना. दोन कम्प्लीट बॅट्समन, दोन कॉम्पॅक्ट बॅट्समन क्रीजवरती आहेत. काही होऊ शकतं. 12 चेंडू 16 धाव. शेवटचा चेंडू शिल्लक आहे त्यामुळे 13 चेंडू आणि 16 धावांची आवश्यकता. Oh, what a delivery! What a delivery! What a time to bowl a dot ball! Oh my God, that's all is happening here. The Hyderabad, I beg your pardon, Rajasthan, a cockerhood at the moment. 3 dot balls to Hitesh, 1 dot ball to somebody like Bala. Both the bowler, both the batsmen who have been considered as top quality batsmen. You're bowling dot balls to somebody like Hitesh. That is not an easy work to do with. 12 balls remaining and number of runs required now are 16. Kalpesh?
Sachin sir, 12 ball, 16 runs needed. Akshay, the great delivery, previous delivery was a great delivery. Sachin sir, you can see in the previous match against Vivek Yadav, the same bowler has considered 2-4 for his team, but that delivery can't define the bowler as a bad bowler. He has done tremendous work, and the power play over started. Good shot by Hitesh Karkera. This batsman can change the situation in any time if he gets in his slot. He is very dangerous man. He is a great batsman. Good shot, but and catch drop. Second catch drop of batsman Hitesh Karkera.
Well, they are giving lives to somebody like Hitesh Kharkera, who is a match turner, who is the opening batsman, is the captain of the team, considered as a dangerous batsman over here in Pratiksha Nagar. And if you're dropping two catches of somebody like Hitesh Kharkera, definitely that will let him down. That wasn't an easy catch, mind you. There are wires, and it's difficult to judge the ball in the air. That was a skyscraper by Hitesh. Always difficult. Aniket was coming underneath that. I think he could have caught it. And that's a wide, and well, the pressure is trailing on everybody. Not only on fielder, but also on bowlers as well. Score moves on to 16 now. 10 ball remaining, 12 required. That's all is happening here. 10 चेंडू 12 धावांची आवश्यकता. आणि आता खरोखर सर्वांवरती प्रेशर यायला लागलेलं आहे कल्पेश. इनसाइड एज लागलेली आणि फायनलच्या दिशेने एक धाव मात्र निश्चित मिळते फलंदाजाला आणि धाव संख्या झाली ती लेग बायच्या स्वरूपामध्ये पंचांनी निर्णय घेतलेला. धाव संख्या झाली ती 17. नऊ चेंडू आणि 11 धावांची आवश्यकता. हितेशला 2 लाईव्स मिळाले. एक दोन्ही पण कॅच डिफिकल्ट होते पण कल्पेश. एक कव्हरच्या दिशेला होता गोलंदाज क्षेत्ररक्षक होता, तो खूप लांबून धावत आला होता, तो ती झेल घेण्यासाठी तो झेल पकडू शकला नव्हता. हा पण खूपच डिफिकल्ट कॅच म्हणावा लागेल. हवेमध्ये चेंडू फारच उंच हवेत, पुन्हा एकदा उंच हवेत आणि पुन्हा एकदा क्षेत्ररक्षण कन्व्हर्ट करत आहेत आणि यावेळेला मात्र कॅच पकडलेला आहे. हितेश लाईफ डिस्पाइट द फॅक्ट लॉट ऑफ लाईव्स वर गिवन टू हितेश, he throws his wicket away here. Why did he go for the singles, Hitesh? Why didn't he try to put the ball to the offside area or leg side area for singles? Why did he go for the hash stroke or rash stroke, you say? That's the question to be asked here. That's the question he has to ask to himself. Dipesh, the new batsman. Score is 17 at the moment. 7 चेंडू आणि 11 धावांवरती मात्र आता 4 चेंडू झालेले आहेत. माफ करा, 8 चेंडू मध्ये 11 धावांची आवश्यकता आहे. आता मात्र थोडासा सामना झुकत चाललाय तो राजस्थान रॉयल्स, कारण ह्या मैदानामध्ये 8 चेंडू 11 धावा नेहमी आपण फिल्डिंग टीमला आपण कन्सिडर करतो. क्रिकेट हा निश्चित खेळ, शेवटचे चेंडू होईपर्यंत आपण काही म्हणू शकत नाही. हितेश बॅक टू द पॅव्हिलियन, परंतु बाळा हा एक महान फलंदाज आहे. बाळा सुद्धा, तो सुद्धा क्रीजवर आहे आणि जोपर्यंत बाळा आहे तोपर्यंत होप्स अलाइव्ह आहेत अजूनही पंजाबचे. यावेळेला फ्लिक केलेला आहे फायनलच्या दिशेने. देख धाव मात्र निश्चित मिळेल. धाव संख्या किती झाली ती 18. दिपेश हा फलंदाजी करत आहे आणि कल्पेश आता हा शेवटचा चेंडू या षटकातील. 7 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत. धावा हव्यात त्या 7 चेंडू मध्ये 10 धावा हव्या कल्पेश.
तुम्हाला खरोखर बॉलर यशला अप्रिशिएट करायला लागणार. त्यांनी 2दा हितेश करकेरा सारख्या बॅट्समनला फसवलं आहे आणि ग्रेट स्लोअर वन टाकून त्यांची विकेट आपल्या टीम साठी घेतली आहे. अरे भाई मी बॉडी घेतली काय कितना चाहिए? 6 ball, 9 runs needed. Kings 11 Punjab, if they want to enter in finals. But according to audience poll, the win rate of Rajasthan Royals is 70% and Kings 11 Punjab scoring 30% of win rate in audience poll. Let's see. In next 5 minutes, the result will be opened. Who will be the first team who will be entering in finals? The great bowler from Pradiksha Nagar, Swapnil. Great ball. Great off spinner of Pradiksha Nagar.
कल्पेश स्वप्नील बद्दल म्हणायचं तर स्वप्नील पहिला एक मीडियम पेस बॉलर होता पण 2001 मध्ये जेव्हा हरभजन सिंगने 32 विकेट काढलेल्या ऑस्ट्रेलिया बरोबर 3 टेस्ट मॅचची सिरीज होती हॅट्रिक फर्स्ट हॅट्रिक टेकर हरभजन सिंग आणि तेव्हा स्वप्नीलने ही ऍक्शन डेव्हलप केली होती आणि सत्यन गायकवाड होते त्यांच्यासोबत त्यांनी मार्गदर्शन करून स्वप्नीलला एक चांगला गोलंदाज बनवला होता.
नाही तुम्ही बघू शकतात स्वप्नील गायकवाड यांची ऍक्शन सेम हरभजन सिंग सारखी आहे पण त्यांची अॅक्युरेसी the great shot the ball goes to the out of the stadium and the Kings 11 Punjab return back to their
What a shot! Magnificent shot! Straight down the ground. Pressure on to Punjab here. Unbelievable stroke by batsman. Right in his elevation. Flighted the ball in the air. Well. As I told you first, Kalpesh, cricket is a glorious game of uncertainty. Until and his last ball is not ball, you can never ever be sure about the result of the game. Got the ball in his elevation and hit the ball down the ground for 6 here.
I told you in past, Sachin sir, ifs and buts are not calculated in cricket. There is a match, still last ball. The hopes are alive for Kings 11 Punjab. Great shot by Pesh. And crowd begins the celebration. Three ball, 1 run needed. Kings 11 Punjab. Great shot by Bala, the first team to enter into the finals. Kings 11 Punjab, IPL 2024. Organized by great worker Datta Keruskar and gentleman Javed Kachi, Sir Sandeep Gundapalli.
सनराइज हैदराबाद
Mumbai Indians captain and Sunrisers Hyderabad captain, please come to the box. Please contact to Sandeep Gundapalli.
स्वप्नील नक्कीच थोडेसे निराश झाले असतील की आपण शेवटचे शेट टाकला क्रिकेट आहे स्वप्नील काही कधी होऊ शकतं मॅन ऑफ द मॅच दीपेशला बहाल देण्यात येत आहे द ग्रेटेस्ट क्रिकेटर